We can extend to get a wider range of working and a better grip in case wherever you're working with. And then also we got some nice little handles to hold on to when we are actually working with this. And in the front we have a really solid, big and strong blade to get our work done. And you will see in a sec what I'm talking about. So let's get something we can actually try and cut through. Yeah, let's go for this wooden frame. I don't need that anyway. So we will just try and split this wood with our tool here. And you will see in a sec that this is actually quite easy to get through with this. And as you see, we did penetrate all the way. And that was not hard at all. Barely took me any strength. And yeah, as you see, it gets the job done. And that's all I have to say for today's video. So yeah, take care you guys. My name is Badger. I'm out and I will see you in the next video. And that's gonna be it. Bye bye.